Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Banks and other deposit-taking institutions are suspending dividend payments due to the novel coronavirus COVID-19. The Bank of Jamaica made the announcement in a press release today. Deputy Governor in the Financial Institution Supervisory Division, Maureen Sims, told the Financial Week that the decision to suspend dividend payments is a precautionary one. She emphasized that if banks continue to make discretionary dividend payments, they will eventually run out of money. And with the expected increase in non-performing loans and deferred payments, the liquidity at banks will dry up. She also noted that it would not be prudent to continue making these payments, especially in cases where shareholders would have to be paid in US dollars, pointing out that the island has already lost one of its major foreign exchange earners from the tourism fallout. The distribution of profits by way of cash or stock will be suspended until further notice for the 2020 financial year. Any unpaid dividends declared for the 2019 financial year will also be postponed. Meanwhile, the Bank of Jamaica says there is no shortage of money in the financial system at this time. The central bank says it stands ready to pump more money into the financial system if that reality changes, and to ensure that financial institutions can continue to provide credit and other financial services to the public. But the BOJ is hoping things won't get that bad. Meanwhile, Sagicor has postponed its dividend payment, which was scheduled for today. However, the company says it is considering other ways to support smaller shareholders who depend on those payments to survive. Group President and CEO Christopher Zaka was speaking on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines program earlier today.
We do recognize that smaller shareholders of Sagicor were expecting this dividend that we had announced previously. Maybe inconvenience, and we regret that. And we are actually looking at ways for smaller shareholders who are counting on this dividend to support them in this time.
60% of the productive sector has experienced a dip in revenue due to the impact of COVID-19 on their business. That's according to data from the latest Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association COVID-19 Impact Survey. It also revealed that half of the productive sector has been experiencing lower production output. That's commensurate with the decline in demand. Majority of the sector say they have more than 4 weeks supply of critical materials. And as consumers try to save as much as they can during the pandemic, 15% of the productive sector indicated that price increases are likely. The survey, which was conducted between March 27 and April 15, reflects data gathered from the JMEA membership base. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $141.54. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.22. The pound is going for $173.53, and the euro closed the day at $156.53. The JSE index gained 1,205 points today, and the junior market index is up by 35 points. Among the winners were Key Insurance, Lasco Manufacturing, Everything Fresh, First Rock Capital Holdings, and Blue Power Group. Now on the losing side were Epley, Caribbean Investments, that's Proven Investments, US dollar shares, Pulse Investments, Salada Foods, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.